Hello friends, welcome to JavaFx GUI tutorial. In this video, we will talk about the example which we are going to create in the next coming videos. So here what you are seeing in the top is the table view control, and this table view control, if you see, contains a 3 column: table column 1, table column 2, and table column 3. There are 3 columns, and you can see there are 3 plus 3, 6 or 7 records or 7 rows of data. Also here in the bottom we will be having some controls. Here you can type the person name, age, and then phone number. Once you click add row, you will be seeing a new row get populated. So that's what we are going to do here, and if you see, it will generate the fxml document, because we are going to use the scene builder, and scene builder will provide all the data. You can see that here anchor pen contains a child of table view contains a child of a column, all those stuff. And here you are not going to edit this fxml document by hand, but you will be using the scene builder, and you will concentrate on designing the form, and the scene builder will make necessary entries in the fxml document. Also, you will learn how to use the controller. Here only a small snippet is shown, and going forward in this example, I will start adding the code in the fxml document. So that's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.